vibe neme byanzi gwako n'engamba okuyimbira abantu abakulu kizibu nnyo because I have a program je nkoze am an entertainer bwe mba nkoze program yo ku entertaining ngamba njikoze in a set mbukijjawo
anti kakati baga nti omukulembeze gwange obogenda kumuwaamu ono bayitamu ennyimba zogenda okuyimba ndowooza osaka n'okubawa
n'ebirikngamenda sobola kuyimba ne kati yanumba gye yavanga nze benayogere nabo nansasula sinamulaba kati omuntu anumbye alina mu star
balina okusasula.
Who are you? How many numbers are you going to sing? You're going to sing one number. Have you ever sang for the big man? No? Okay, you sing one number, you sing from wachimbonelera.
Olwokugenda kuyimba kivulu kyaki ekyo?
Wachinze okubona.
Tubonga nawe.
Byali bali baina foundation je bakola ne batuyita, so I had a song relating to
kibagenda okukola.
Kwekibakola youths okukulakulana. Had a song about 2 years ziva muntu yozo okufuna makungula. So they told me, oh, you have a song we need on this project, you never choose him. My job is to entertain, but envelope yange nkole nveo londe nyimba twagala zino
neso kondeko Vampino kale mtu kayo omukulembeze wegwanga era musabu n'obusende omuntu sabera miliyoni 3
nze saama nyambu yajja ze bambuki nga bali ba invite omukulembeze abere mu event ya kati nze nange nze byange kuyimbira banomve ko Africa now ndokulaba kavuyo kazo omulundi gumu muhole badde tudde
omusajja bwa masuti bweta
abantu bayingira hotel yole chankaye ngaki the big man is coming kati zinga nchali on take a program n'abantu bujam yankona ku who are you for stage bago be yakati buli muntu afuluma baba how many numbers are you going to do? 3. You do one number. Number akubuza number zimanyi sonzi organizer nchamula bakone bamutadeko embago ndala nnyo kukintu kyachukirawo
omukolo baguwambye
ngamba okuyimbira big man nganze tekinkolere
so walada muko mulundi omulala okuyimbira ku big man
sidanga.
Why?
I mean, I've never got a chance or anybody calling me for those events, political events, but I was like, you're saving me the burden because chenaitamu abakutomera. Okay, let me make a suggestion for them. If they're going to have entertainment with these diplomats, the big people, Babylon part ekwataganye kintu kyaba artists, so we don't get embarrassed in a funny way.
Simumwekana abantu ngati ngaffe baleya otuka wegamemene jukugwako kati nkula nga yasaza okusalako wano temude mukutambula ate olusiye batamanyi nakumanya nti waliwo abantu bolaleke babayisamu bwe batyo agenda okujja mwenanga babeze ku kkubo
aba head of state wekirina okuba but olusi kisu muberemu kala tukwataganya amanyi tugenda kuba n'abantu bati in a category babalaba nti bayimbi obviously bateekawo kali ka bucket babayaye kinalagadde correcting abantu ngamba yes oliga abayimbi tetuli bayaye ngamba tuli bayaye. You know why? Ekigambo buyaye kyavaayo with the real sense tekitegeeza nekidda ku muntu omujagujagu omugezi flipping neyeyiya mangu so oli bwagamba muli bayaye I don't even get angry because kyavaayo omuyaye yakoze sente omugezi yakoyoyimba omuyaye it has left eri ekyali kiri ero walala nnyo so bali ate abali mu corporate world abamu bacha to take in that bracket tabayaye but ekyatutasiza ffe ng'abayaye mu bayaye mwe mwavuda ate aspiring nga kubeera president so that's why we come in tugamba go boy mutujjeyo kati tukyongeddeyo tutandika kuingira corporate world
naye kwa mwakafaananyi ng'omuyaye ali mu ntebe
tutuula
emiti giyinza otambula.
I mean omuyaye asobola okubeera mu ntebe why because Museveni naye ali mu ntebe yaliko ddogo yaliko omwana omuto nobody knows their story.
No, I'm not saying to know okwono omuto tasobola kutufuga.
No, I mean no omuyaye tetumanyi wa Museveni yali mujagujagu oba naye yali muyaye okuba nti yafuuka the president whereby the word muyaye stands for the smart person today kati naye mu time ye nobody is there to tell us their stories back tewaliyo bintu biraga history waabwe naye ffe because tulina our history Bobby yali masada biki which is okay, stays a human. It doesn't matter what you put in your body. Shotekamu oboli abantu oboli abikere oboli abikineche kikuvamu bya magezi
atetero muyaye atakwata bana atakola ki
wacho mtadeke kintu
muyaye ndako omuntu oyo dhano no ali soba nate nga akola ebiki kwanga
ali soba kumanga muyaye Obama confessed ye anywako weed Obama yali mu ntebe eyo nga yasinga okulwaninga tobacco cigarettes banning. He's one of the head campaigners saying tobacco is harmful to your health. But
yanywako
babitata bano abanywa kumusigara.
Chain smoker.
He's a chain smoker.
Wow.
And he has been in the Hade Montebe nga he is.
Wow.
But you've never seen it anywhere because he steps on the side nachikola. He's a smoker mlabida with a face. You can see him from the little reading. He's a smoker, Bachimani. He's a chain smoker. But you're leading a campaign. So you cannot blame so many people. And he confessed, yes, I had a puff before we in high school and you know weed. But he came never leading. Trump abaddeko kati yaba mukiwe muzembo muyayi Trump
yekoze baba
Trump yarunninga casinos ezisinga mu Las Vegas zo Trump casino Trump ukaba ebo musajja yade president oba ndi confused
bana strippers
nkugambye atambula ne lifestyle yali manager wa Mike Tyson wabera sitanga gwe manager anyasinga muno obuyayi Sigwe
manager basinga
ono Jeff Chiwa ye mugezi yatekanga yani
yeah,
that's my friend, my good best friend.
Swans, right?
No,
yali
Jane Shiba. Actually, Shiba okumuteka wa Jeff. Okumukwataka ine Jeff, it was me. Yabuza ngazi Shiba, because we used to move with Shiba and she left Obsessions. She's my friend. We met her in Rwanda before. Yali mwana muto nga hustling. Bwe yaje no. Na rather now joining Obsession. By then Obsession bali babdena Masaga was happy. But I guess she wasn't treated right. Like bali bera bamundo za chiriya chiraya cha divari shint boba uptown atono loko gala vude no
nenga amancha yagala body wise yena kuba competing nenga
ebintu ebisalawo ya waloko nze I knew the other people differently nabo twabana wana Masagari bali mu chiri kozi muzungu ya kwatako nati Shiba does na karaoke mu Rwanda bichi
wana weka wempe
ati wa joining awo natene chibumi natene mumuta she decided to do some few songs zanga ziliao but she always wanted to do a song with me
mwalukola
finally nafuna project nemteka ku mabanja ona abanja nange nayo gwe manja. She was so happy then ngamba I mean what we're promising her we shall do it now. Let's do it. Come, there's this project talk about abakazi bya munonya. We did it. But then chiwa naye I think yamufuna is it before yamufuna before nakana ku mabanja nga tubera nnyo naye tuzunga ne Shiba when we have shows we call her ngamba bana mbamuyate mundeka ngayambala jampa ye boda ye muri wanga jago bapaka wasange motuka nga yinge mbya kimunga da mu character
I know mujukira ku super yajanga ne keko iranga baya muwerekedde
tugera ukati keko bana bamusanga late iyo maso ngatandi sichikuwa but then ngatumuteka tugera tukubaleraga na tukatunizing nabera olisinazi nabuzinye kuyimba then metwingire motoka tukizawa nti ninze mwe mwe nanteke waka we always have to drop her so at times obamba ko inyo nanga omanyi gwozo ko ya tovuzo drop ze buli omo yide togenda we bake wano onova wedda mama because my mom was the next fence mama ulwali ojageni wachiwa mama wencha bichimu but toina jora godeli ebo
kushiba kubanga muvude wala na Benoni. How is he?
Benoni is also good. He's fine. He's with Swangs. I mean, they're doing a good thing. We're in a good job. They're bringing music to the level that we had a dream about. I'm happy mbuchinaliko
matandika babiti
chitwatandika but today it is part of the biggest thing in the country.
True.
I'm not complaining. Why don't you have a percentage? Why don't you have
a...
But the biggest percentage I have, I'm a fan of this thing and it is making a big name. That means my dream is already partly being shown with something we saw as a joke. To me, that even makes me more happy. Money can come and go, but we don't have to look at money first. Look at what you initiated, how far it is going, how far you people have, these guys have taken it. Maybe they saw it.
tumanyi nti nno Vampino yakirimu.
Yeah.
Kati abatategedde banategera nti Swanks nawe inamu input.
Sirinamu.
Tewali wona.
Input yange jenina is no the country knows the start of Swanks because man it was us. But I'm happy ekola chiri. Boche balina nabo kwenda osinga. Vampino.
Yes.
They have maybe they have to blame them for that. Put a flag up of Vampino is the source of this thing.
Yes.
Just let the people know. You're saying ebintu ebimu. Chovola bakatse bimbi yali ayogera mwali mu ebitufu. Ne busungule mwogesa mu nebichama.
Yagamba ati.
But he has an idea about how we were in the start. We say how we were in the start. He was on the name. He wasn't in the production, was where the name came from because Katsi Basurange wangi. Echega buli omu ava mu club we used to run back home nga naka motoka katonyo ka Fiat kwaketa hama tekaleka muntu mabega kaizo okuva mu bantu nga munana nga ka starlet so
ngamuke pakira mu
bakaita na hama twenyiga tugenda kaina parking yako ku governor tonyigawo motoka baga atotekawo hameja niba kunyiga bagera okulaba hameja ka starlet mufubutuka abantu ega baba bonna bane bali byomwali
mama
bashi babona mufuluma bufulumi
ne muyingira governor
wingira omuzo bakira busiriki ne muyingira hameze abahama ebeze kaba bakamiri bananga bajimanya hama baba baje
mutandika dio kwatagane
kamiri yali ate danyo before even we met and I think
and you look alike.
That's what they always say but we don't really see it us together but I mean we have the same weight maybe negative musinga the heavyweight champion Musaizi yemuleka.
As in?
We used to be almost the same size but the whole time bange bagende bodo ibakoma nga li size yemunenze nkoma nga chechimu American boy. Shege ne bwenzira mu diet ya fe bino byafe betwejjako. Tituli day in time amen because there's this and that.
No sala.
But which I also do nenga ndiri ne bali buli kimwe kyaba kirimu fats. Neye kamili yakoma nga tachusi.
So mubade maze banga your friend.
Ndi mwanvu nyo. We had wrangles, the fights and everything, but that story will never be told. Lwaki ba numba. We shall never let the right story out. The chikola buli kimu. I think I didn't talk to him for 4 years. And I'm his friend. And that's the biggest punishment I gave him. Nga sisirise nga ndiawo nkubera mu maaso oliawo nzijja wali nefuna kibebi nemba bolingira wano hype yonna gwoba oli wali nefa gwogena balanga nga basise because me with causing attention and him causing attention we know the right things to do. So if you use the other side I can use the other side and take the attention. I know all these moves but at times natuka kiseera nga no, like when they put more eyes on you, I tell them mwefu saba yindi. Bimalaka temi nembo lusi tobera free, bali zokutoka wantu ne banga nsisi yake. Ntoka wale bagamba like a star somewhere. Gomanyi. Ne baba rosto ojja kuvayo mbonge gwani. I'll do anything you'll know. There is something different about him. I have to find out. Yeah, ni mu America mbipakola nnyo. Ngabaye obali bademi mali mukirabu zentandika okukyusa naye code pake bubuza negolwa African artist. We think you're from Trinidad. Gamuli balalu but you talk like you sound like Trini brother Africa. Uganda nako balaga flag melanze timbye mine okuteka ku papa olusinga nyingi ambisibye mbulago mbalaga jitova mu club zabo ku Hollywood kati kubera mba star banji babero ba DMX buli mabwe edanga bajja mu club eno apo po reggae night mubaba star nayenze nina kiri ekintu sagala nyo kubukira muntu nti butala ndam starstruck bakubye. I want you to recognize me. I recognize you. Genda kubukira mbwanyo kati peri yandabye zindi Vampino kati chinta wanya nyo. That's why never been sanga de tunywe nembozi abamu kozingana bagamba they legalize everything abadamye mali aberi awo nganyo mtina kupasinga na kuanga nazali mukula socks zembani mukula socks nga batakutukana mviri yesu namba dukulinga ngata dogs ninga brother ngama tell yakube ekifana ngendeka ngamba tell yakube ndeka nawo ja kunda kisa nange ndachikuba tuli mu Hollywood eri buli omu you gotta act everybody is bad there are stars everywhere waitress are serving she's a star
really
She's a star in a bar. You don't know. She's a star. Why? She's acting in a movie because of the role of a waitress. Yeah, single role. I never agents. Abali kuona Hollywood kuona. Buli omu kyakola bamanyi omukubira essimu nti twagala ba waitress. Twagala omuntu bw'ati. Twagala massage. Twagala biki. Tutwala mu club. Tuyisa muziki nga African. Actually ku streets za Hollywood. Kino kinamanyire wakaze ngambe bwengwa ku town street yona kyemanyide waffe mbonyingira club sisasudde. Nakikolera de Uganda Vampino yingira pye waliwo kintandikira kijja kwewesa mbu Hollywood twangenga buli club those big club nga Saturday bagula VIP
nga bakumanyi
na chali wange actually bamukomyawo he was deported way back just 7 abanyere bakamiri nga ina master nga jabuze agamye manager mweru nnyo kati nabali babera kumyaga mu America muki kati ate naye gero jamaa ina batandikira kumyango manager abera mu kanzu yesibanga mu Arabu afu master nge bisumuzo sente tulina sasula wa parking oyeka ku mulyango because it's Hollywood. What do you remember? This is Hollywood. If you can act anything, be that. But why not to believe it?
Utambo dance maker.
Nyingi. Nyingi.
Ramubali.
Yeah, music. It's only music. The only country you can for family is Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah, where my kids are na muchala but ebisigadde.
Muchala wali Sweden?
Yeah.
Kawuli konti mutono sister wa Sylvia.
Se muchala wa.
Kamuna mbe.
Tulina omwana but nze mama nze taata nzembera naye.
No mwana.
Wow. For the years.
She.
He.
How old is he?
He's Jacob Kyria. He's the first boy.
Wow.
Yeah, he's 13.
Wow.
Then the other is who made 12. Amudake Sweden. The other made 8. The other made 6. The other made 9. The other made 6.
Oyino taata wabuvunanyizwa. Abasajja basinga tamanyi myaka gy'abaana baabwe.
Nkugambi. Atenze wekintawanyiza birthday. Zigwa mu mwezi gumu.
Akaki?
Bonna. Kayinza okera ku makya ne postinga kya mulala. Ogera kulaba abantu babaana ebyeru. Owaaye.
Osiye.
Yoli bannange.
Bambi.
Actually bandoza nazikubata tukozinta wanzona mama wabwe bonna abana bali mu mwezi gwe gumu.
Mama muzungu.
Mudugavu. Bonna October kati ononya.
Wali busy.
Abambali date zezimu. Bali ono wajono wancha kati ziflipinga.
Omwana wacho mujja ku Susan.
Simumujangako. Nze nsobola okumulabiranga mama.
Lwaki Susan yatalina budde.
There was time. It'll be happening in a song of Sylvia Awori club. When they were ready, Nangamba, go back and pick your son. But the first time the bus Kumungo was the Mamutwala by phones. Nina sang I'm American and I'm like a Mumoto take but he hurt me. My mother told me, get your son, look after your son. You'll only take care of your son, but it'll more time. I think here we are again that was 4 years. So name Mufuna from 4.
Wasuzani wenyini oba mama Susan
bamule nalina okumuteeka nga musomero so times abwayosa kusomero because I have to confirm I have to know what tagenze ndeka bamunona ate bagala tebamunonye teyafulumye I have to figure out how so nga namusembeza monitoring emubereremu which they all accepted before they had refused. But when I came back from the States that time, Sylvia nangamba jayo mwana yangambira mu America in a club because we had bad blood here to chayogera era mwana before cause bande meso mulaba. Then I traveled.
Right ngabakulemesa nga Susan yalazeewa because omutuko kukolera omwana baba wenze kanya.
No, we're not together anymore, but I mean I still come and see him and try to make sure he's fine. Since then ngamutoko bamzala siriwo. I was in the States. Bamzala didn't come after some time. I'm like, oh good, but he was here with them. Kati mbano kuninteka no mukozi nze namusindika abere mu nyumba able to look after him.
What?
Because she could speak my mother's language and my mother was part of his life. But weekend mami ngaba mwetage waka to monitor him. But she kept on telling me, get your son out. Never mesa ne flying out. So renadira when I very severe ngamba gendo je mwana omwerabiri. My sister won't be able to have time for that kid now. So I came and did that. I came and managed in a smooth way. My brothers get him. I got him. Get your son.
And Susan akiriza.
Nga brothers bangamba oline chimuvaako mpola mpola. Era nadda mu vibe ye nembera n'omwana all that time, but chat surprising anyo when COVID came and there's nothing happening. Bebakolera rangi ne bamuwamba. Which till I sign a problem you can always see him, but you do not block me from reaching.
Yeah, yali ajjanga n'amulabako bwali omututte.
Really?
So bamutwala bwe magana okuddamu okukkiza omulaba.
Nze atabagana ko ne mumblocking and bese muzijjako mwamutegula extreme. It went beyond to 3 months, 4 months. I don't know. Oh no, best friend wange mbera naye tuzuku cafe na 6 years.
Daddy's boy.
Since he was 4. He's now 10.
Oh, wow.
6 years there's a program. Then we better out. But chali bangona bamanyi. Jacob mbera ha. Skasingi menanyi Jacob program is no call program yoli okumoving first. When the mom is here, the other kids are here, I'm very free. Mmanyo bekasukomyo Vampino yamajali Jacob, daddy you didn't come back, I'm coming. But because now when I'm here with him, he's never said when daddy doesn't come back, where are you? I'm going to work. I want to work with you. Abaga kuja kuzi TV. Nga just be your Jacob, but I want to go. So I was with him all that 6 years. Chanu manyo nti bwe mumotote in the months munganyo no kwati simu. Munganyo kwogera naye. I don't know. Aliko chinjogera naye every day. I wake him up at school. Bianchi. I'm a very good cook.
Really?
Yeah, there's nothing I can't cook.
Even matoke?
Everything.
Wow.
I don't like matoke, I don't eat it. But I know from Mundagara, bichi mama for arrangement to Gagara. But me, I learned how to cook even before my own sisters. Because I was next to my mom so much about fumba.
Mama muchi?
Munyoro.
Mom.
So, but I learned everything from anything, baking cakes. But I can, I'll make soup out of them.
Wow.
I'm that first.
So kufumba no muchalo so mufumbira.
Buli kimu nawe ne mutwali ya mu speed. She knows I cook.
Okay.
Ne amanyi mfumbira ku moods. Mbera bimizo kwa lero kamfumbe. How buli muna gamba ndagenda fumba tugenda kugenda nga umanyawo ngenda kufumba land stop. Yeah, fumba baga dad is going to cook this time. They're happy. Nice. Because ngenda kola yebi atagenda kola buli job. Ebimu byetayagala bikola chapati kizentandikirawo because you can tell basama. Kale mwe baba manya temere yawe different thing.
True.
You were one kola zilizi kundiza nga. Ene nkubye njajiri yanga. Bana abana bebagala nyumba abebabije sijja bisobola birazani abyammwe. Nzinja kola mukira sijja kubiri ebyo binsobedde.
Katuze ku mwana wa foro omuddamu mufuna dinga bamututte.
Basically when I call it that triangle. Ne mmojayo. Ina mubayo. I had to go and get him by force. Because every day I come at the gate. It was Sylvia Nkonko na timumu. But one time nagera ne bakwano be. Abeno bitu abende baogana kati yenga nawulire eddoboozi. Kuwoganira muri eri. What? Najja. Ngadduka tukumuyingiza gate asikali nasiko omukono roughly. Umanya katulika gate ke kazi yako waya. Buba tebuli finished bulungi.
Kasala.
Ninga how could you do that? Ngandi over the fence.
Akati?
And our daddy take me home.
Oh dear. He wasn't happy.
I know toys they take me home and namukira na ine mukwata over the fence. Bye. They came to me with military bagamba, no. I have a case already at the police. You got the police, it's covered, I have to put my son in. And I'm happy to see him. But his problems, he's confused. We don't have to put him through this, but I do not know where you got the guts to make this happen. When I'm going to I mean, simanyi bwache baliko naye kenyini amanyide taata we era bakimanyi bomutwala bamana kubuza. Call my daddy. We've grown up together. I've been with him all the way. Even after that, he's with me since then. Nabuba wa kati when alinya ate ngenda ebuweru within COVID. After the actually a chantwala again temwashtegera after all that frank yalibo banda bisiza answadde swadde ne wabawo sometime it's a birthday party nembagamba muje ku birthday number wa yamana naja nakabe wakanaga mumpe nemwera ne bakola kintu kyekimu so as pissed off. I'm like, I'm not going to go through this again. tutochalinga oli ate bamukola kino. Then there's a birthday we made it bamuleta ne bagira bamulemera ne baza genda mugani bagamba kamuze njamuze ngago nera ne balemera nadamu okwogera na this Sweden. That's how they wake up. Nina abana by the way. I'm here because my little boys are really they're so smart in their head. They're like, Daddy, you need to make sure Jacob is fine because Mom is taking care of us here. You take care of Jacob. We don't want him to be alone. But we'll get Daddy, make sure he's fine. Always with your daddy's in Africa taking care of our big brother. We're going to be so many now. Bona baga kwa big brother wabweri. Baba oli mulindwa. Ba mulindwa ba myaka emeka but I mean he would reach them. So when I left because bazeme chimshechimu. By waking up on Jerry, I had to send his phone specifically for him, for me to talk to him. Vabulaya mjiwo mwana. Esimu. Sigenda kutandika kuyomba na mbakwa nkubakoza mwene muzinyima nguze yiye. Natenze njiguze. Nibamutera mulaini bagisindika paka wawe ku gate. Yani box. Tatawaga kumukubira na direct. Jali agene baganda. Era bwe nadda nabagambira mulina okumuleta mukubesimu omwana John but era bamuleta because jukira kati ndi musama nkomyewo nakabaganda kunda ate noli amanje it's been a year he don't see me njagala mulaba najja nemba housing in 1 month ninzirayo ninyokanenge mame kati nkomye njagala mulaba since then now how many years is it since 2000 COVID wamba mu 2020 year 2001 from 2020 when I did that because another COVID another August another October nga 9th when I take a show attack in Evandia nga olenda ku nga 5 ebere independence Uganda so when I took back that's when they switched to Palazzo very fast I think it was 7 days nga take the America segenda kuba show independence to itina ne Alikiba is it bali batade kati bategedde likati kiwunyi ne malayo ne nchiza mukole taki kujane ku independence nobody bachanka that's when in Uganda from then I came back pick my boy he is with me even from now because the country is open nobody calls the boy to find out what he's doing tiba munoji ega makoma mama nojiko baba pickings like what are pickings katolina iwa in Uganda obali Sweden here oh bambi so gena kubona bogenda Sweden ogenda kugenda naye yeah ngambira you not leave him daddy I'm going with you. Do not ever leave me here. They always come. They always by any team. Bali bamanyinyo ebifa ne mama oli amanyi bifa nnyo ali Sweden. He talks to her to Jacob every day almost. Oli ali Sweden yaba. Boys bali banyumya naye almost every day. Mama oli his life amanyi oli amanyi bimukwata kali Sweden. Oli amulaba kusinga abali wano. Abazadde basinga kasita batuko bafuna obutakkaanya obwo bamanyi buli omu akutte omwana amubuli obubibwoli nze nsaba mayina okwegala jangu obeere mu life yono wati nze ambuuza call you why should I look for you ono mwana wo you have to give him but I'm very happy somebody replaced that part eyokubanga yamanja nyo waliwo abali mu life ye bamukubira every day that make him comfortable namanya hey I need this which na programs and babera program no bali balina okujjano bwe nasembo genda bali bamanyi nino ngenda naye COVID ya chankalanya the visa because babi Ghana's already in a card eyange yo so babi chankalanya naye we natuka eri bali bamalogula oluji so they all daddy badata mukulingize where's Jacob mbagamba he didn't come we were so disappointed when we had baby nga esobole lalirinze Jacob onamu kubayimbi waliwo azanya violin actually today bamba sindika video nga bali in class yatandika violin but babini nga wow then I have one that is so much of a dancer he's a professional wow. I used to think I can dance but there's somebody going to go wow he's bad from MJ from everything now he learns Lingala to please his jaja and the mother okay. Because they have some songs of Lingala where Lingala bacha baita abigira ku YouTube omusate bamali muyimbi My mother yali choir member from her mother. She was from the choir. Actually, our grandmother yasigala mu choir. When her mother passed on, she stayed in the choir, the judge, because my mama bafa before the judge, their mom. But she was also trying to lead. But she very mom to us, because I think they were in missionary schools. And my granddad was a very, very rich person. That's my mom. He kept flying them out in different places of the world. Wow. Yeah, you know, 7 girls, I think, and we were 7 or 8 girls with 1 boy. Ngatambla na yali boss were like management BAT, tobacco and ginger. So they kept going places whereby if we didn't even have so much. When we were little, I think my dad is not getting my dad in because our grandpa was so rich with the mansion. Ngatakiriza nabana agenda kubera nabatata be ku nyumba eri wano. Ntemuswa mwesimba.
Teri kuchala.
Wazala wa mwana abera nti wanu waka wange. Tena chaja agenda watata.
Olwa bazala bameka.
Fair balance.
Mwana abana from your mother.
Our mother we were 6 boys and 1 girl.
6 boys.
Yeah.
Gwe?
There's Saba. There's
Saba.
Yeah, Alex Curia. Then there is Elvis Curia. There's Richard Curia. There's Leonard Curia. Elvis Curia.
Elvis Yegwe.
Yeah. Then Maze Saba, Maze Morris, Maze Richard. Then me, we are 5. Yeah, we are 5 and 1 girl.
6 children.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then we have our other half brothers, Tukuze, like in the team. Then our cousins, who grew up a big family. But some of our cousins we grew up with them from when they're babies.
Mwana muli mukaga mwana muyimba. Banze manyiko Morris.
Morris Saba yatandika rapper bebatandika bataka underground. Dad educated abakubanga ba hip hop bataka bachaga bonna. Fena tugobere after Saba. Yatandika kati yali mu America, is based in America.
Ani mukulu?
Yeah.
Saba.
Saba mukulu wa fenyo. Then Saba wadawo Garo Richard. Or Saba Richard mukulu wa Saba ye mu wali mungu Richard Richard Kwape. Alimu Kusubulango, he's this big designer in Chibuga. You'll even rarely know that he's our brother. Actually, my friends are talking about Chimani. Because you're like, you're not here.
The Morris Nangin around you. I don't know.
Only you are like, you're kind of Morris to Boga, call it where I'm was actually to Quatagana Morris, but the way we sell ourselves to the public is differently. So you can never know. He's practically as mad as I am, and I'm practically as humble as he is when I decide to. But my life is that is a change.
Yeah, go to the bango. Ali mupanguru kufubu.
Mama is a change to neka tie. I namu kali limitation. Kaka no why you gonna put some. Kati ya ulisi avoiding some places wanda gamba. Oh yagenda chichankala nyawo tubere ku space na imba na yango kutuka hai. Nkubira ngo vude kushosa galonda biswano zididiva.
Kubwe Morris ali mukulu.
Nze mukulu but yachimanyi but era basiga baloza mukulu because of his way.
Yes.
He acts and humbles. It's his kind of music. My music is militant. We have no time to eat, no time for devilish. Is straight gunshot ebyafe. Ose bibi agamba mwana nene yasokutuka watu wagwa star today nataka kwega ngalizako nakubaneraga tuyimba freestyle album tiche. He's just as mad as I am but he knows when to get mad and when he's doing that publicly. I'm taking it with that side, so we maintain that. What do you know? Get the continue. Why not show you? You know, color. Never kulia. Ba kulira. Sure. Alishikiba. Band India, ba Miami. I'm in Jamaica. Ba kwata ba gamba nti. Tukisanze neka gondi karimu drops when jaga to look side airport international. You have to have an ID. Era gambo o gisubulo jingiza country. Oba oyina jinywere eri mu country ne wano woli oli ku international level singa decide airport ene ya domestic eri bakiriza okunyanga boyagadde chere oba police yakwalaita ku airport akachi wabweru matunayingira ne mikuko bamana babera bazikute bati bapark ne motoka give me a light kuleza no inaga this tekako na uli abana babinyumya nti oboyagala okujinywa amaduka tegamanyi na duka wano mwina duka kiri Abrams ako kaba kantuntu bali bazimba edduuka eritonda marijuana mubaamu bali badokita bali high nagamba how you wanna feel you wanna feel low you wanna feel high manya zimbagamba since when did you break down all these names? I never seen them before.
What?
Who sat down and tried to break it down? This has been illegal for like 2 years back in America or 3 because they legalized it and you guys sat down and tried to break it down into sativa inequality is going to make you feel you want to feel what kunyonyanga bwandigeze mu pharmacy but the shop is so classy music amatara kwekali omulyango ina security
nonywa ne kuba bulungi
gwina security ya police yekuma emiryango you don't have to break in because these guys have a lot of money in here buying sente muduka cars are stopping people are stopping bantu banji normal people basanga kati dikira buying houses abantu abakadde bebagamba nti gundi abanayabagwana batera okukola mu bizimbe okulabiri abakadde biki so some houses in America have these old people before nga tebana legalizing there was an ID oyita ku beaches of Venice Beach nga the doctor is in step in the doctor is in to give you a prescription nga bakiyisizawo mu badokita kati balawyers about balaba it's medicine they let it go free that's why the market is running it ekibayambye controlling the crime rate bwe twagiguliyanga mu nsonda abazigulidde eri olinaduka beekubiddeeyo biki kati kiri mu business ensi ye running a tax on the weed government yegigula nze kati webankwata mba on the side of the airport whereby it's called the port of entry in America but when you cross that part odda kusaidia ne domestic you're free to do whatever kwata nyinjo yagala obodda maya obodda Boston holy free but they didn't go international side tonna bakukirizibwa kuyingira America you just kumulyango so ne bangamba okuwonya case munda mu America muri ne bagamba but I have to go my staff is in there bangamba we can let you go niwe tukuleka n'ogenda olina omusango singa obadde citizen obadde osasula $5 actually bali was ndi citizen bangamba don't worry you're just going to pay $500 and you get on your flight or you go back to LA nega kebere baba oyina ko mufanga you know why he's not from here he's from Africa man damn we thought you got a green card or something a permanent resident you can pay $500 but now chief for someone who bagenda processing so there are two options you want to go in here's it nothing about manyi boboge make it but we let you go in ugenda kuba no musango mu America we're not facing a judge nothing akasango sango whereby we tukugamba gano okuyingira gwe kenyiri gano nga yandikokonye bakinyoya olabo okokona ku mulyango omudoga ne kanchireke sinaba ready kumulabo no kanzireyo take it like that sidayo feruge trazeme no entry yogende Jamaica bali bakwe visa and consulate ejja kuwa visa papula zino zikufune bampa forms is into a consulate to just get a new re-entry because even if you want me to go to Africa sina route eva kwa Ireland teri route eva Ireland ngeyita mu direct paka Africa balina kukoona wano first enyonyi libagamba eriwo ya ku Thursday bili mu maaso
ne kati concert jo inogenda ko
igaze Zanzibar eyo nefa ya independence ne manye chichifu
tewa refunding akasente
abaje banatemanga bakyabala nga bali mukulanga kati bwegunya nga tebakyanda nasuka nembula nga nsitema njendi manager wange kaya manyi something is wrong muchala nga sembe kugenda nange ku airport Jamaica sam nga bichankala nyembula Miami mvudeyo nga ndi Jamaica nga oh shit kati babanza kama simu mutamanyi kyadda kubonabula like for 4 days
you went dark
kati eri Jamaica holiday je try to bad day we try na chef every day we had a chef I was living the toppest life I've never lived an apartment with water chef I'm just $200 every day to figure out what do you want to taste octopus no we live the good life not knowing something is going to come after nga tuzienze banziza kati ndivingene the real life nga ya mukanya mulimunda mukakomera banange I was like really omuntu kati nga nyimiza nabayikomera bifo byembade wa boy I believe in that place and that place then abajogera oyitire jipya jabade managa ensi bwejo man olaba obadde likati oli wano wansi kageonya African abadde akikubira wagulu nnyo byenyembaga ndala binabade ne buju bantu wa musanzo otya
you know
kati nze nkanga komera bagandi artist basuka kuwakana country balyoke amuleka malaika yali bweru mwabwa bano kintu kyamusirana kakomyewo accent achajikwataganye yaffe ne we abyoge bagamba Africa omuya confirming nti manyi bobwe nagawe ya Africa kabala ko kuyimba bawo nights zo kuyimba nanga ya African what's name again Vampino Tibatawanya Vampino Vampino. Okay, artists, we call it African. No, there's no African in Nigeria. Friday night is dance all night. It's mash up. Let me go. Okay, tuli mokomera dance all night. Nja jirina. Abaye bakubye ebisenge ebyo. Nemuva mu ngoma nga buzuli.
Ngabo duwe ddala. Ndi mu studio. Ba
nga ukukatana kwa nganga. Oli akubachiri ekyo mu Jamaica.
Wow.
Ninga no way abunga rules flat abiri bakubabulyo mabakutingira mu ngoma seruneta andiko were bayina omuyimbi na banga bajja bakubazi owuli alaga afu butukalira lero mpedde kuchanga njagala ba Jamaica kaweddemu raga afu butwa katula African ngawula baserene kaba karumu bichiba African tuwe mu wedi African yaseza nati siyimba mu no jirupinga no jingira no banga tatuwa one freestyle oyogera mu choka bakuboluga no batwala but I left them got the lovers of the song I know in jail bano limba bayimanga gospel oli bwazuka yatandika olo muloka lalimu awoga na yibwa zuka atandika na limbo nibongera kunaleka bongedeko I know kwanga museli yange mwalimu I actually noticed it later a guy muyimbi wa gospel nina ali museo ngayimba kaduna yimba inawo ngakapera boy nokobe komera yo naliwulire ona bale bakubenga nice word inspiration baga papa kweze ratatata ngoli achititi bakuwagira okubye katono gaigo nali naye mu room olimba ne lumukwata nnyo kati kiro kinanga ngamba yo me want you teach me that song Can another song make me know one time I leave this place? Maybe near 3 months now, man. Nenda ko muyigiza ngolima mwera mukasere no muyigiza ko kati yenga ina walimba ne lwabanga lwe na altwale wane because is singing ngaina jaraga kati nganzi ya muti ndokomya omuguli naleka aluyigirize komera oli bwa maro kusaba nga batandika I know that anga bakuba mu chorus Africa ne lawe nagenda beba nyamba sindika bagamba oli of God kwa God yo abaletire ebintu abantu bayingiza emiti sigara drinks jukenze mva Uganda sina link ewandisi byano kadukire ngamba officer nkubira akoze 27 mandate watiri biki kati bali aba America banonya chef yali atufumbira bali bazee bachali bangi friend wangu mwana apartment ku island ya gula apartment benali nabo he actually works with Neo. He's my friend who works with Neo. He works with different artists. Yeah, beba so come areas of booking our hotels bichi ba booking team ya Neo veja. So ampanyo mosarisa manyo kungambe ngato ya Neo ya imbye shemu jitwa.
Wow.
Mbera naze wakabaga mwana yali na Neo twajidi. Oli abera nabo 24/7. Wow. Kati ya gula apartment. He's Ugandan.
Wow.
Ugandan, very young boy, very rich.
Neka kati Vampino omwana wo ata akuba omuti oyinzo mugana.
Tasobola. Right. Because he's grown up knowing that's bad. It's a matter of educating somebody. You don't do what you do. We do. You gotta be clean. Mo America, you don't have to do it. Around kids, you never get up and hey, go in there. Baba raba immediately on the side, which is banging mbozi. Wa parents basanga about today. Ai kati baachireka no Mexicana atula na kunyoa ekintu kyali juke bana bambali bili go migrants. But you've given them the freedom to just sit and enjoy themselves. This is the first time I go in LA and I see people just happy and free and nothing like running about. Do you twabera nenga bisawa bulikiro nemba muri club te muri ku kintu munonya we muchikwata ganze juke na gaya mpita munga VIP baloza African ya chikuba nnyo. Red carpet baba zigula bajja bujataga. Baba na Uganda kusheba mu bangu ako badem. Kila mjibansubira na kuwa mu America nenga nayingide olumbi badange yeye atuke Uganda yamanya bana mu America tamanyi bana Uganda katandikira mbazungu yagenda wasiza muzungu kati yampa majority y'abantu beri bali bansaka kubyanga batukulia VIP tulina kati mukwita abantu tebamanyi ngapa Vampino tuna mulaini wetu tunya badema gwe mu storage nenga we tuli street ndala nyo Hollywood bantu bali kuli bangi yakabuli ba stars abasi drifting amotoka zili yao sibazigireka nasiganga ntundo itawo batu ya Africa ne manager baitone kazi bituyingira
ola ko akati kote balinange emboze Vampino tekoeka
you have to act your way out
tulina unakulaba mama chicho so kwogera ku mama wo Vampino gwe mu wakula mama wo message cho so kuwa mama wo kuna kulaba mama era mama wo mwogera coach
mama wange was somebody very special very 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 special yavambwa mama nafuka a gift that came to us because she's one of the people about so friendly. I can't talk much about my mama but all mothers as long as we got abana that's why I'm getting damaged when I see my son that I love mama for and have to replace her and try to because I can cook and do everything for him as a mother and a father for him. That's my mother, my father. My mom did so much that I prayed. And I'm happy Mama Awori. She does everything to be a mother for Abana what they deserve. So now I have to make sure that happens. So that's when I get the holidays. That's why I can't talk about my mother. She had it too much. My mommy's boys like all the way she's put us. She knew everything. Yeah, but in a security of Fedako. When I funny around was never coming. My mother was with me all the way. She cried before she even knew even if I had damages. Yali to said that. My mother yaliwo ngomwana bamuzadde bwe yaliwo nze saaliwo naswabye mutugendo na mwana ya office bamuzadde taliwo yamba. I mean she was there all our lives no matter how the ups and downs in life. So she went through so much to see that we are everywhere whereby there's a time about returnizanga sente ebiki kusoma gundi kati wa brother fagamba amanze ngenda kuvayo mabala mujira musomo sasuli abali nzengeze kasana maze kino 66 kenda kudama teka bali batamalizize njja kwataganya bya America. She had to step out because my dad again how yali why things come up and down. She take it, but our mother has it so much as a mother. She's never walked away from us. Chitumanyi she's never left her kids, and the reason why she was alive for a long time because cancer ya muluma na muluma nature mukipinganga alive, it's her kids.
She's gone.
She went, my mom passed on, she went, she knew every artist. She had raising how many artists because they were home by my madam so finga nebo genda kaba benwana bani bo sala micros bo sala area yo gangizwa madam Sophie ababa linze murisaine group ya mikwano jejika Vampino ine gali yika mutu afaina ababe kati aino kufumba emerebera ku standby because anybody's going to name siriko jenki ni mukasa mubuze yawe tampete
abulato
ngatani kaba minta ntusi
lubalula
ikati aine mbozi ya buli omama manyi they were like friends, very best friends. You even ask them bagamba ha mchaya chikole ekintu. So she's a person yakole ebintu bugamba ba mama so special, ba mama banji bali special, buli mchala abera onayagala omwana we, ba mama banji bavunyiwe bali mu system eri nako niyo musanga tavanga ku mwana wa muyinawo. Those are the women I look at. If you're a real mother and you love your children, it's the kid that I'm looking at. If you're a mother, thank you so much, and you'll always be the mothers of this world. Yes. And I'm part of it. I do this daily, day in, day out. Just know my boy is safe, somebody is with him. I never made sagala.
So abasajja like message chi right now nadaba balina abaana kati nga gwe nga yakozeza omwana we.
Abakozesa abaana bo bamanyi the pain. Yeah, bamanyi the pyramid. I don't know how they do it, but I'm pushing a jali. There's one example, a guy by Simon. Is it Simon? Yeah, he manager of Tonics, that guy. I think the baby mama passed on. Mwana mutonyi, like few months. He did that thing all the way. I'm like, so it's possible. I took him, my boy, we grew up together. Right now, I can't siri mu nyumba amanyi daddy yalasewa kumachako ye ayinokera ogenda kusomero naye kati holiday bwakera kasiri agamba ero daga you bad you leave me here alone. I told you we go for natukole nange njaga kuyamba. I have to be there.
Neyanziza nnyo Vampino neyanzeege olunaku lwa maama tulowooza bataata abo bonna balinga Vampino naddala abo ababayidewo abaana baabo wadde maama mulamu naye gwe n'oyimira ku lw'omwana wo naddala nga bamukusuulidde. Mpagala nnyo mubeere bulungi. Bye.